1997 Ford F-450 Super Duty bucket truck. Straight body. Altec bucket system. It works. One of the cylinders has a leak and needs to be repaired. The city just retired this vehicle because of the year. It's a 1997. So this started leaking. They say, let's get rid of it. So there's one of the last vehicles added to the auction at the last minute. Could you turn it? Okay, there it goes. Like I said, it was just retired. It works. Just has some leaks that need to be attended to. Alrighty, let me show you the rest of the truck. It's got a Reading Classic 11-foot long utility bed. It's got a dent on the door, on the lower pillar. It's got a 7.3 liter, which sounds beautiful. Listen to it. It has only 78,000 miles. It's got the stabilizers, as you can see, on both sides, of course. Tires look good. This guy's still going at it. All right, we got the point. It works. Thank you. All right, Frank, the seat was just reupholstered because they had intentions of keeping it, because it's been such a great truck for the city that they were about to keep it. So they decided to part with it. It's got 78,000 original miles. It's got dual tanks. AC is not blowing cold. Not blowing cold. Nice utility bed. Let me show you the rear tires. It's nice. It's got a hitch. It's got a controller on the bucket. And a controller right here with the one that Kenny's operating with. As you can see. Thank you, Kenny. I appreciate it. The bumper's dented on the rear right. Unaligned, but let me see what else. Got another scrape over here. That's pretty much it. It's a good old truck, 1997. I drove it in the parking lot. Transmission engages, and the hood is bent, as you can see. The hood is bent, and it's got a few dents on the fender, but let me show you underneath. Kenny, don't forget to raise the stabilizers. Okay. All right, there go the stabilizers. Good luck. Thank you.